stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jdavinci. Today's video is a quick hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I slick down my 4C hair and get this super cute ponytail. Yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I go from this to this, then keep watching. This is one of my favorite things to use to slick down my 4C hair. I might put some of this leave-in condition in there. And it sucks because I literally just got my hair washed and blow dried. I'm about to put all this junky in it. Gotta see if we want a low ponytail or mid ponytail. Low might be cute. We're gonna do a low ponytail. I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna just clip this hair down. And essentially what I'm doing now is getting this in the sleekest ponytail that I can get it. So I found a ponytail holder for now. I'm gonna go in with my edge wax, putting it in my hair. This is the only thing that I can use to actually slick my hair down. Going with the comb and just comb that through. And I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I'm gonna take another itty bitty section of hair. And if you have 4C hair and you really wanna slick your hair down, this is a recommendation. You're going to have to blow dry your hair. You're gonna wash, blow dry your hair, and then do it piece by piece. And it'll be nice and sleek. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing that we were just doing. So I started off with the edge wax. We're gonna take out our little ponytail without hurting yourself. And then we're gonna just comb this into one we already have. So I'm just going back and forth between this wax and the gel. Got a hard brush. Oh, and it's gonna just depend on how you wanna wear it. I don't know if you want a middle part, it all the way to the back. I just want normal, straight to the back. The vibes are endless. The wax really helps lay it down. For all my 4C hair slicker downers, that Murray's is gonna save your life. So you'll see that our hair is actually slicking down. We got a hard brush. If you would have pressed your hair, flat ironed your hair, you wouldn't have to go in with all this edge wax. Just so you know. And no, there is no other alternative. You want your hair slick, slick 'em low, slick 'em high. You gotta do it. You gotta do it like this. I know this gel gives me a harder time than it does actually slicking my hair down. I don't know if that's just me. Let me know if you have the same problem with gel. I'm gonna tell you guys how long it's taken so far. 12 minutes, okay. Now we're on the last bit. All right, so the last one, I'm gonna go back in with my edge wax, same edge wax I've been using. I remember someone said I did not have 4C hair and I was just like, I do. I'm not gonna argue with you. You know, I typically don't really go back and forth. I don't know if you want to customize your baby hairs or anything like that, but if you do, you're gonna do that to your liking. So now that I have all this gunk in my hair, I still have it in a ponytail just so it's easier for me to manage because right now my ponytail's still thick. Marinate everything together and it's a silk scarf, okay? Not a cotton scarf because a cotton is gonna dry your hair out. We already got all this junk in our hair. It's junk that it's like, just imagine junk food. This is junk in my hair. And really just try to comb it in there and comb it down. It almost hurts with this itty bitty comb that I have. I need to use a bigger comb. Good God. But now that we've got pretty much all our hair, we're just combing it all through with this one. This really makes it easy. Put a bit more on my edges where it needs it. Yes, this helps. We're gonna kind of grab hold of the hair first. Okay.
Oh wait.
It's not burnt onto me or anything. And I'll try to just keep a good grip of my ponytail. So I have 2 rubber bands. Don't have any bobby pins. So this is what we have so far. Paul Mitchell's Super Serum, just so my hair can have a bit of shine to it.
I was afraid once a nigga graduate, would I be okay? So I prayed and I played. It's Rihanna, nigga. My constellation in space. Warp speed, double spark couldn't chase.
Nigga, bath salt, biting speakers in the face. Bath salt, biting speakers in the face. Good. Shut up. Y'all know where, right? Shut up. Okay. Told
Gonna put on our scarf. All right, so it's currently the next morning. I literally have work to go to right now. We have our ponytail. I have a full tutorial on how I made this ponytail. This ponytail is about 6 months old, okay? This is just some oil sheen. And we're gonna kind of spray up this ponytail. Okay, so the easiest way for me to put this onto my head is by flipping my head over and then attaching the ponytail. And I'll flip this over and it kind of just covers the ponytail. I already have a piece that's ready. And I'm gonna just take this and wrap this around the ponytail. Literally it's 7:33, I gotta leave at 7:40 today. This is how I'm wearing my hair for the next few days. Right now I'm just taking this hair and kind of just spreading it. Believe it or not, it's been 3 days since I've had this ponytail in my hair. The only thing that really went away was the little baby hairs that I swooped. Like I swooped some sideburns. Those aren't really there anymore, but this hairstyle is still a vibe and it's still cute. And yeah, this was a great, fun, cute. I just was swinging my ponytail all over the place. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.